Greetings. I'm Mike Fitzgerald, the instructor who designed this course. Either I or a colleague of mine will be your instructor. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the course and offer some suggestions on how best to proceed. Here's the course homepage. Your actual course may look slightly different depending on whether your instructor has made any changes, but much of the navigation will resemble what you're seeing. Right below the course banner, you'll see what your instructor has posted as a notice or announcement. Whatever is occupying this area, you should read it carefully and follow any instructions that appear. Now look at the left-hand column. It's the navigation pane for the course. By clicking on any of the links on the left, you'll enter a different area of the course. Let's go through these quickly so you'll get to know where to go without wasting time. We've already had a look at the announcements page, so let's go to Getting Started. Let's click on the link to enter that area. Here you'll find several important items. A to-do list for day 1, a folder containing video tutorials on Blackboard such as how to use the discussion board or how to check your grades, the text for our course, which you should purchase as soon as possible, our course syllabus, which you should read and print, and the discussion board grading rubric and the capstone essay grading rubric at the bottom of the page. Please read these rubrics carefully since they clearly indicate what we're looking for in these assignments. Returning to the main menu, the next item is our course calendar, which is also contained in the syllabus. You should consult the calendar on a daily basis to see what is due and when it must be submitted. Now let's click on the Learning Modules link. Here is where all course learning materials are housed. There are 10 learning modules in the course, but you'll see them as they are released according to our course calendar. Here's Learning Module 1, along with the introductory video that introduces the unit and outlines its goals. If we click on the Learning Module 1 link, you'll enter the unit and see the first of consecutive pages that must be viewed in order and that contain the required reading, viewing, and reasoning assignments for the unit. Each learning module requires you to read a specific chapter of our text, then view 8 to 12 mini lectures, and finally reason through the text exercises and discussion board assignment for the unit. For each learning module, you'll find an associated discussion board forum. Let's take a look at the discussion board now, since it represents a large part of your grade in this course. In each forum, you'll explore an issue that gives you an opportunity to discuss your take with your peers and demonstrate your command of the skills for the unit. As I mentioned, you'll be graded according to the criteria specified in the discussion board grading rubric, which includes level of literacy, conceptual command and argumentative proficiency, contribution to the learning community, number of replies to others, and post position. Post position refers to the timeliness of your initial thread. If you reply within 48 hours of the opening of the learning module, you'll earn the maximum score for the criterion of post position. The longer you wait to post your initial thread, the lower your grade. As you'll discover, it pays to post early and post often. Back at the main menu, the next item is the Test Center, which is where you'll find all your tests. These are fully online open book exams. For most, you'll be allowed several attempts and you'll receive your best score. The next item on the course menu is My Grades, which is self-explanatory. In this area, you'll find your graded assignments and usually an individual comment from your instructor that provides advice on how to improve your performance. The last item in the course menu is the Instructor link. In this area, you'll find details on your professor and appropriate contact information. Well, that's it. When you have an opportunity, please take some time to explore the course. As always, if you have any questions, let your instructor know right away. On behalf of my colleagues, please accept my best wishes for a productive and enjoyable experience.